Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you'd like to see how I got this beautiful natural pop of blue look, keep watching. So to begin with, you want to start with a clean face. So I wiped my face with some astringent, and then I went in with this Tarte hydrating primer and applied it to my face and then rubbed it in. After that, I went into brows. So you just want to groom your brows and brush them in the direction that you want them to go. So to do this, I outlined my brow first and then I just did hair like strokes and filled it in. So to clean my brows, I went in with my medium peach elf concealer and I just got a nice flat brush and carved out my brows to my desired shape underneath, and I also did this method on top of my brows. After applying the concealer to shape my brows, I went with a fluffy eyeshadow brush and pressed it into my skin to blend it all out. To prime my eyelids, I used the P. Louise base number 2. I applied it directly onto the lid, and then I used that same eyeshadow brush that I used to blend out the concealer to blend out the base. You use a base to help pick up the pigment from the eyeshadow that you're going to use. So I went in with my Afrique by Juvia's eyeshadow palette, and I used only 2 shades from this palette. So this one that I'm pointing to, the beige color, that was for the top of my lid, and then later on you guys will see that I used the blue shade for underneath my waterline for that pop of blue color. So for this shade, you just want to use a good fluffy eyeshadow brush and tap it onto the lid so the color could pick up nicely. So for lashes, I went and used Vibes, which are my mink lashes from my business, Anosha's Artistry. If you're interested in purchasing these lashes, you can visit my website, www.anoshasartistry.com. The link is down below in the description box. So after applying my lashes, I used my NARS Tahoe cream foundation stick for the outside perimeter of my face, and then I used a lighter shade on the inner portion of my face. So I just applied this on. I'm not gonna lie, around this time I was rushing. I was getting ready to go to brunch and I had to move quick, okay? I had reservations and it was time to go. So certain angles, don't hate me, I was trying my best to get the footage, but I was rushing. To conceal, I use Medium Sand by Elf Concealer. So I applied it to my chin, above my mouth, which is the Cupid's bow area, down the middle of my nose, forehead, and of course underneath my eyes. To set the areas I concealed, I used Translucent Honey by Laura Mercier. So because I was rushing, usually I would let some of this powder sit on my face. However, like I said, I was rushing, so as I was applying it on, I was pressing it in with my beauty blender in those areas. To set the rest of my face and wipe away that translucent honey powder, I went in with Medium Golden by MAC's Mineralized Skin Finish. And then to contour, I used Give Me Sun by MAC. So usually I'll creamed contour and then apply the powder afterwards. But like I said, I was rushing, so it had to be a quick beat. I went in with my Give Me Sun, which is my go-to bronzer, and I applied it to my cheekbones, my temple area, my forehead, and I also did it down the sides of my nose. Afterwards, I went in with my Juvia's Place blush palette and quickly applied that blush. And then I also went in with a shimmer highlight and applied it to my cheekbone area, bridge of my nose, tip of my nose, Cupid's bow, and my chin area and the middle of my forehead. So then after that, I lined my lips with a brown shade, put some lip gloss on, and then added that beautiful pop of blue from the palette that we were in. So I just got like a very small Morphe brush. Here you can see I zoomed it in, and I just put it right underneath the waterline area and just built up that color, and it just is pretty. Like if you just want a nice natural look but you still want to be dramatic, do what I did. Put on some dramatic lashes and then just put a pop of color. It could be blue, yellow, pink, but I just love this look so much. So here you have it. This is the final look. If you want to see more videos, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know down below what you would like to see. Like I said, this is a beautiful look if you want something simple yet dramatic. But yeah, love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe.